So what is the Coriolis force? Coriolis force starts to exist once there is motion of a fluid parcel relative to a rotating force. Okay, you need rotation plus you need motion relative to this rotation. Okay, the Coriolis force becomes significant on time scales exceeding the ambient rotation rate. What does that mean? Okay, like look at these pictures. Water swirls and drains are not influenced by the Coriolis force. Why not? What's the ambient rotation rate on Earth? How long does it take for the Earth to rotate once around its axis? It's 24 hours. Okay, so in order for the Coriolis force to play a role, the process needs to take at least 1 day. Okay, and these water swirls, the time scale is, well, maybe a second or even less. It's not long enough. So these water swirls are not influenced by the Coriolis force. So let's see what comes on the next slide. The Coriolis force acts perpendicular to the direction of motion, and it is proportional to the speed of this motion. Again, this is shown here in a little sketch on the left. Okay, you have motion. This is where it's a top view. We look from above. You have horizontal motion. The Coriolis force operates 90 degrees. Yeah, in this example, it shows to the right. You know, on Earth, it would correspond to the northern hemisphere. Anyway, okay. So now, if you imagine that you only have the Coriolis force, you know, you push a water parcel into a certain direction, what you get in the end, because of that right angle, you get a circular path of an object. And this is known as inertial oscillations. Okay, so that's the first important features.